Hey guys, look what I got. I just came in today. I'm excited to open it. It's an in-motion RS Lite scooter. It's supposed to go like 55 miles an hour, but I actually got it to 57. Let's open it. I definitely didn't read the instructions because this box is a lot easier to open than what I made it look like. Now this scooter has two 3,000 watt motors and gets up to 75 miles of range per charge. And it looks like something Batman would drive. Guys, let's get this thing together. Put that up. Push that little tab in there really good. Screw in this little knob. All the tools that you would need to put it together come with the scooter. Okay, now we're gonna connect all the wires. And they're all color coded, so you can't really mess up connecting them. Put the headlight on there. Just one bolt for the headlight. Now we're gonna connect the headlight.
Jesus. Has a horn?
Yeah, it has a horn. It's pretty loud. Alright, we got the scooter all charged up. It's definitely super comfortable to ride. Pretty powerful. Climbs up the hills with no issues at all. I will definitely be ordering some off-road tires for this to give it a better test off-road. So this is what it looks like at nighttime. It's super bright. I mean, everybody's gonna be able to see you coming down the road with this thing. So if you're looking for a fast, fun, comfortable scooter, the in-motion RS Lite is definitely one to consider.